Today we're going to be testing the NCV8851-1GEVB, which is an adjustable output synchronous buck controller evaluation board from ON Semiconductor. The equipment we're going to be using today includes a multimeter to measure our output voltage, a waveform generator, a DC power supply, an oscilloscope, and an electronic load. To begin the test, you're going to want to set your input voltage Vin to 13.2 volts, your enable voltage to 5 volts, and turn them on. Next, you're going to want to monitor the switch node, which is the tab of Q2 on the right side of L1. Ensure that the graph you get is similar to figure 2. Next, set your load to 100 milliamps, which is 0.1 amps, and turn it on. Ensure that your output voltage is still approximately within 4% of nominal 5 volts. Next, you're going to want to connect your oscilloscope to Q2 again, and ensure that your switching frequency is approximately 170 kilohertz. Again, check your Vout voltage and make sure that it does not change more than approximately 0.02%, which is the typical line regulation. Next, vary I out to about 3.5 amps. And ensure that your Vout is still approximately 5 volts. Next, bring your enable voltage down to 0 volts. And next, ensure that the parts shut down, the board stops switching, and the Vout capacitor discharges. Then you're going to want to put your enable voltage back to high, which is 5 volts. And now check that the part starts back up, which means that it starts switching and Vout rises to approximately 5 volts. Next, set the function generator 20 to 30 kilohertz higher than the switching frequency measured earlier at a 50% duty cycle and turn it on. Again, you're going to want to check your oscilloscope and verify that channel 1 tracks channel 2. There is a delay, but they should have the same frequency, which in our case is approximately 200 kilohertz. Finally, you're going to want to increase your function generator's frequency up to 250 kilohertz. And ensure that the switching frequency is still following the generator. This concludes the test of the NCV8851-1GEVB. For more information, go to www.onsemi.com or contact an authorized distributor.